Hello everyone. In this class we will see how to find the equation of line which passes through the point of intersection of the other two lines. So it is passing through the intersection of two lines. So two lines are already given. 4x minus 3y is equal to 1 and 2x plus 5y is equal to 7. So our line that we have to find out, that is passing through the point of the intersection of the two lines. So let's say this is our line which passes through the intersection point. And one more thing is given, that is parallel to another line, 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So there is one more line which is parallel to this orange line. Okay. So to solve this question, we will do 3 steps. The first step is we have to find out the point from which line is passing. So our step number 1 is elimination method. Step 1, do the elimination. So by doing elimination method, we'll get the point of intersection from which line is passing. So elimination of which equation? The line is intersecting. 4x minus 3y is equal to 1. Let us call equation number 1. And the second equation, 2x plus 5y is equal to 7. Let us call it equation number 2. Now we have to eliminate one of them variable. So if we multiply the equation number 1, let's say 1, and equation number 2, let's say if you multiply by 2. Okay, so in the equation number 1, here already 4 is there. So if you multiply by second equation by 2, we will get here also 4. So first equation as it is, 4x minus 3y is equal to 1. And second equation, if you multiply by 2, we will get 4x plus 5 to the 10y is equal to 7 into 2, 14. So now the coefficient of x is same here. So if we change the sign, minus, minus and minus here, 4x and 4x will get cancelled. Minus 3y minus 10y, which is minus 13y, is equal to 1 minus 14, which is minus 13. So we'll get y is equal to, from here, y is nothing but minus 13 upon 13 minus 13, that equal to 1. So we got the value of y. Now let us put the value of y, put y is equal to 1 in equation number, let's say 1. So our equation number 1 is what? 4x minus 3y is equal to 1. So 4x minus 3y is 1 is equal to 1. So 4x minus 3 into 1, which is minus 3, is equal to 1. So if we take this 3 that side, 4x is equal to 1 plus 3. So we'll get 4x is equal to 4. So from here we can say x is equal to 4 upon 4, that is same as 1. So we got both the value, x is also 1 and y is also 1. So our point of intersection is nothing but 1, 1. This point, intersection point, is 1, 1. So our line is passing through the point of this intersection. So in this case, this is the value of x1 and y1. So to find out the equation of line, we required 3 things, x1, y1 and m. M means slope. So point is done. Now to find out the slope, we will use this second condition, which is line is parallel to this line, 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is our step number 2. Find out the slope, m. So if the equation of line is given, then to find out the slope, the formula we have, m is equal to minus a upon b. Okay, so let's say equation of this line we have to find out, which is passing through the intersection, and equation of parallel line another, which is given, 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So in this line equation, the value of a is nothing but 5, the value of b, which is coefficient of y, that is minus 3. So minus of a is 5 upon b is minus 3. So minus minus get cancelled. The slope of the line is 5 by 3. Okay. but we have to find out the slope of the another line which is parallel to this line. So we know the result, since lines are lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, in that case m2 is same as m1, which is equal to 5 by 3. So slope of both the line is same. So we got the slope and we got the point from line is passing. So now we have to apply our third step, step number 3, equation of line, formula y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So y minus y1, our x1 y1 is 1 and 1. So y1 is 1 is equal to slope is 5 by 3 into x minus x1 is also 1. So if we take this 3 in the cross multiplication here, so we'll get 3 multiplied by y minus 1 is equal to 5 into x minus 1. Multiply 3 inside, so we'll get 3y minus 3 into 1 3 is equal to 5x minus 5 into 1 5. If we take all this term to the right hand side, so we'll get 5x minus 5 minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. So 5x minus 3y minus 5 plus 3, that is nothing but minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of a line which is passing through the intersection of the given lines. Look at one more example. Look at the next question. Find the equation of a line passing through the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 5x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. So that two lines are intersecting line. Let's say like this. Okay. So this is the intersection point, and we have to find out the line which is passing through these intersection points. Okay, so let us consider our line is passing through like this from the intersection point. After that is given that and perpendicular to the line x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. So our line passing through this point which is perpendicular means like this to one more line, that is x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to find out this blue color line. So let us start with the step number 1. Our first step is our elimination method to find out the point of intersection. So which two lines are intersecting, that two equation you have to do elimination. So intersection lines are this one and this one. So first line is 2x plus y. If we take this 4 to the right hand side, we'll get is equal to minus 4. Let us consider equation number 1. Second equation, 5x minus 3y. If we take this minus 1 to the right hand side, we'll get is equal to plus 1. Let us consider equation number 2. Now here you can see that in the equation number 1, here only y is there. Here it is minus 3y. So if I just multiply the first equation by 3, so what we'll get? 3 into 2 6x plus 3y is equal to 3 into 4 minus 12. Second equation as it is 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. So we don't have to change the sign because here plus 3y minus 3y getting cancelled directly. So 6x plus 5x, which is 11x, this will get cancelled. Minus 12 plus 1, which is minus 11. So from here the value of x is nothing but x is equal to minus 11 by 11, which is minus 1. Now let us put x is equal to minus 1 in equation number, let's say 1. So 2x plus y is equal to minus 4. This is equation number 1. If we put x is equal to minus 1, so we'll get 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus y is equal to minus 4. So if we take this minus 2 to the right hand side, we'll get y is equal to minus 4 plus 2, which is minus 2. So we got the value of x and y. So our point of intersection is nothing but -1 comma -2. That is the value of x1 and y1. Now the second step, we have to find out the slope of the line m. To find out the slope, we know that we have to use this equation of line which is perpendicular. So here the value of a, which is 1, the value of b, which is 3. So our formula to find out slope is m is equal to minus a upon b when line is given. So minus of a is 1 upon b is 3. But this is the slope of the line x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. But we have to find out this line which is perpendicular. So we know that the result, since lines are perpendicular, so slope of the second line, perpendicular line, is nothing but take the reciprocal of 1 by 3, which is 3 by 1, that is 3, and here minus sign is there, so change the sign, so minus become plus. So slope of the perpendicular line is nothing but 3. Now we'll apply our third step, equation of a line, which is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So y minus y1, so x1 and y1, here it is, so y1 is value minus 2 is equal to slope value is 3, x minus x1 value is minus 1. So y minus minus getting plus 2 is equal to, if you multiply 3 inside, 3 into x, 3x, here minus minus getting plus 3 into 1, which is 3. So if we take both this term to the right hand side, we'll get 3x plus 3 minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x minus y plus 3 minus 2, which is plus 1, is equal to 0. So this is our required equation of a line which is passing through the intersection of the lines. So this is a practice question for you. Solve this question by using above 3 steps. First step, elimination. By using elimination, you will get the point of intersection. Second step, find out the slope. If the line is parallel, then slopes are equal. If it is perpendicular, then find out the slope of the second line. So find out the equation of line. Comment your answer in the comment section. Thank you.